Hey guys, John here, and welcome to JS Techie. Alright, so I've already recorded this video once, so I'm kind of gonna blaze through it here. So this video is going to be showcasing off the AVerMedia LGP 310 Lite. It's a nice little capture card. You can buy it on eBay for about $50 to $60, and it is external capture card. Obviously, that means you plugs in over USB. I believe it's 2.0. This card was released in 2014 to compete with the HD60 from Elgata. It records at 1080p 30 frames per second and has a pass-through at 1080p 60 frames per second. That's sort of the basics of it. Also, it records an MPEG-4 over H.264. That's how it does everything. So, yeah, that's how that works. I'm sorry, I went through this once already, but it didn't record on my snowball. It recorded on my webcam because I was going to use a webcam instead, but that just did not work out. Anyways, so today I am going to be showcasing off this nifty little product using the Switch, and then I'm going to be using a mirrorless camera. It's an old mirrorless camera, so it won't have clean HDMI, so it'll be a little ugly, but it still works. So this thing has a button. It's for like quick recording and stuff. It's a nice little clicky button. I don't know if you can hear it because of my noise suppression. Anyways, it's got an HDMI in, HDMI out, and then also an audio in, audio out. I typically don't record the audio over HDMI. I use the audio in for my Switch. I know that option isn't exactly there for the PlayStation 4 or the Xbox One. But yeah, I think this is a nifty little capture card especially for console gaming. Maybe not so much PC gaming because most modern graphics cards probably have better game recording. I know Nvidia definitely has some good stuff going on, and I think even the new Radeon cards are pretty good as well. So there are some software you could download with this to probably not get the best out of it, but to, you know, take advantage of it. It is AVerMedia's ReCentral and then AVerMedia Stream Engine. Those are the two software that really I downloaded when I was having troubles getting it working, and it did help. So just keep that in mind, that you might need to download software if your OBS doesn't pick it up right away, because OBS does definitely pick up the Stream Engine as a source when you've got it running. I have had luck sometimes where I didn't need that and it picked it up right away as something else, and then sometimes it did, and especially with the audio, when I select the audio as the Stream Engine over the audio in, because I think it defaults to the HDMI in, and it just doesn't work on the Switch. It could be my Switch's issue, or it just could be because the Switch is so new. The capture card is from 2014, so it is a little dated. But yeah, so is this thing worth picking up over the cheap $20 capture cards and the like the other $50 capture cards? I'm not 100% sure. There is some updates that came out with this. There's software for this. It is from a bigger company, the AVerMedia. So you might actually have a lot more customer support. Obviously, warranties and stuff like that aren't going to be a thing because of how old it is. But there's a lot of support out there for this. I don't know for sure about the $20 and the other cheap graphics cards you can get on Amazon. I will link an Epos Vox video down below for you guys to check out for cheap capture cards, because they do work. So yeah, you know, good to have that information for you guys, because I will not be getting those and reviewing them. So let's just get right into the gameplay for the Nintendo Switch. Hey guys, so I'm back, and this is sort of what you expect when you connect to it. sometimes you do need the stream engine to get it to pull up, and sometimes you don't. It's like really hit or miss. I do not get it at all. Anyways, so briefly, we're just going to be showing you a couple clips of gameplay. So I've got it set to 1080p 30 frames per second in OBS. So that should not be an issue. I've got the volume for the game console. We could turn it up so you could kind of hear how it sounds. Just a little test. Yeah, just get a good. Actually, let me turn it up in OBS as well. Now this is over the audio in, so just keep that in mind. Actually, let me make sure we're on the same track. No, I keep doing the wrong thing. So I think we're on the same. Yes, we are. Okay, cool. Perfect. Perfect. So, let's just get into it. Yeah. I did not know it actually pulled up your last team that you had, huh? Oh, okay. Who else is excited for the Crown Tundra? I am. Holy shit, Rillaboom's following me. So, there's a little bit of a delay between your inputs and when it actually shows up on the capture window, but on the pass-through there's not a noticeable lag at all. It's actually pretty good, pretty standard. It's like you're playing on a TV. Nothing too crazy. This is a very slow-paced game. This is a very good game that I would advise games like this that you would use this capture card for. Yeah, nothing too crazy. We might just get into a battle here, just to show you what that's like. Let me turn the audio back down. I'm sorry. I've no idea how loud or if I was even audible over that. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna beat this guy, and then we'll go jump into Mario Kart, and then we'll kind of see how Mario Kart looks with this. Now, let me just make sure the properties for this. So, I'm gonna be doing custom. Why is it like that? Oh no. I don't understand what's going on. Why did the custom only give me the option for... I'm not sure why custom only gave me the option for... but yeah, so... bitrate. Yeah, okay, so it's still 1080p. So I'm just check the settings in the stream engine real quick. So what we're gonna do... And my freaking Joy-Cons have that stupid drift thing where they pull really hard to one side, and it makes Mario Kart a pain in the ass. I actually did buy cheap. I bought this Nintendo Switch controller off Amazon for like 30 or like 27 to 30 bucks. It's not a bad controller. I definitely, if you guys want to see a review on that, just let me know. We'll just do a quick race here. Time trial, sure, why not? We'll do Yoshi. We will not be doing that stupid bike though, because is my son. He wanted me to be the bike, so I was like, sure, why not? Yeah, that's what we'll do. He also likes everything to have the monster tire. He likes the monster truck tires on everything, and it's a little bit much, man. It's a little bit much. So, just gonna do a quick race. I will show you what that kind of looks like if there's like noticeable frame skipping. Hopefully there's not, but you never know. I've never really recorded anything else besides Pokemon with the capture card, because that was what my channel was. My old channel was. I did Pokemon battles and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna be quiet. Just play the game. so quiet because I'm the only one in here. Oh no, hold on. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That was a lap and 2. Let's just pause this. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you've got a camera on it. So there's a little bit of a lag in recording. It's just not the best setup to use, so I've got it in my hand, not on a tripod or anything. Then I've got the phone camera right there. This footage is okay, but it's not clean HDMI, and the autofocus on my face is intense. So I'm not gonna sync up the footage with the footage from the camera. It'll be synced up with the footage down here. I'll put a face cam at the bottom, and that's what it'll be synced to. I'm not gonna do this too terribly long. Yeah, this is not what this camera is for. This is an old camera. I use it for like thumbnails and stuff. But yep, it works. It works. If you have a newer camera with clean HDMI, you could easily sync up the audio. Not a huge deal. Clap your hands. Big deal. All right, now let's look at the footage and come to my conclusion about this card, okay? Hey guys, so after checking the footage, so the audio, first off, when you have the device's audio you're recording turned all the way up, the quality is, there's a lot of noise in the background. Once I turned it down, actually that noise went away, which is good to know. So maybe don't have the volume up all the way, or maybe capture over HDMI. You could try that too. I didn't try that, but I feel like it doesn't work that well. Personal experience, definitely try it for yourself as far as that goes. On the camera, I wish I sort of had a better setup to test with, but I have what I have, and I can't complain about that too terribly much. But it does work for capturing footage that way, so definitely does work. You could easily sync up the audio that you record with the mic from it later. That's fine. Let's think here. My thoughts, for 50 bucks, sure, yeah. It's a capture card from a bigger company that'll have a lot more support than the Chinese capture cards will. As far as quality, definitely check out some reviews for those cheaper capture cards, because some of the quality is pretty good, especially for the price at least. Maybe similar quality to this, so definitely look around, do your shopping first. I would not just go out and buy one of these, I would look around first, and then obviously the newer capture cards that are coming out from AVerMedia and Elgato, they'll be much better than this. They even have newer models, and there's even a more expensive model of this with a few more features, so definitely do some shopping around before you just pick one. I will link some reviews or a channel that does reviews more on this stuff down below. Definitely go check him out. And that's gonna be it for today. Yeah, nice short video. Just kind of the quality. Now there was some artifact. I should get into it. There was some artifacting on the recording that I noticed when I was watching it, and that's not great. Obviously, Mario Kart had a lot of artifacting. It wasn't very sharp, but I think that's just more to do with how old the card is, and it's fine for streams. I would say that's pretty good for streams. I've probably turned it down to 720p. Maybe it would be less artifacty, but maybe not. I'm not sure. I'm not going to test it out either. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment, leave a like down below, and please subscribe. I really would appreciate that. Also, check out my other tech videos. I do reviews of mics, headsets, just anything that piques my interest. And that's it for today. Thank you, and bye.